Sara, a passionate but frustrated life science business owner, slams her laptop shut. Spreadsheets and reports cover her desk, highlighting the lack of leads her current digital marketing campaign is generating. Sara poured her heart and soul into her life science company. Yet, despite her best efforts, new customers weren't coming in.
I've tried everything. Paid ads, social media, even a fancy agency. But nothing seems to work.
Sara meets her friend, Anna, for coffee. Anna, a successful entrepreneur, notices Sara's dejection.
What's wrong, Sara? You look stressed.
My marketing strategy is a disaster. I'm pouring money down the drain, and I'm not seeing any results.
Maybe you need a specialist. Have you looked into this marketing agency? They're experts in life science marketing.
Another agency. I've already been burned. Who are these people? I guess I should give them a chance.
The marketing agency held brainstorming targeted campaigns tailored to her specific audience. They helped her analyze her past marketing efforts to identify her company's strengths and weaknesses. They helped her in creating engaging and informative content that resonated with her target audience. They also helped her in optimizing her social media presence for better engagement. Unlike the generic agency, this marketing agency took the time to understand Sara's unique needs and goals. They developed a comprehensive, data-driven strategy designed to attract qualified leads and convert them into customers.
Several months later, Sara's office buzzes with activity. Her phone rings constantly with potential customers, and her email inbox overflows with inquiries. A smile beams on her face as she reviews positive online reviews and social media engagement. With this marketing agency's help, Sara's business finally started flourishing. Leads poured in, and conversions soared. Her online presence became a magnet for potential customers in the life science industry. Sara stands confidently at a podium, presenting her company's innovative product, and the audience is engaged and interested.
Thanks to Croyner's Digital, I was able to take my business to the next level. They helped me reach the right audience and tell my story in a way that resonates.